My name is Maria McFarland Sanchez Moreno, Executive Director of the Drug Policy Alliance. The war on drugs shapes people's lives on a day-to-day basis in multiple, very tangible, concrete ways, especially for poor people, people of color. The over-policing of these communities that has been justified or excused by the war on drugs means that people are often under surveillance, people are facing severe punishment, people are having difficult interactions with police, people are getting killed by police on a regular basis. And that is a very clear consequence of drug war policies that have been enforced unequally and much more aggressively in communities of color. There are also other types of consequences. For people who are in pain, now restrictions on opioids due to the overdose crisis are making it much more difficult for people to access those opioids, even if they're facing a very chronic, severe pain. You have people who are suffering from PTSD who might benefit from using psychedelics. You have people who suffer from all sorts of ailments who might benefit from medical marijuana. Yet if they don't live in a state that allows medical marijuana, they're not going to be able to access those benefits. So there are lots and lots of consequences of the war on drugs. Another area is in employment. There's so many employers now who ask people to take drug tests and then shape people's ability to make decisions about their personal lives that wouldn't have an impact on their jobs. Yet because they have to undergo these invasions of their privacy through these drug screening tests, they then have to make very difficult decisions. And then there are people who don't get jobs, people who suffer all the consequences of convictions simply for possession and personal use of drugs. And that's over 1 million people a year who get arrested simply for personal drug use and possession.